so it doesn't really get any better than this for me right now. I think it's time for me to wash the 32 for the first time, as well as give the S2000 a nice little clean. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this. I'm gonna basically put on a hyperlapse and let you all enjoy the nice little car wash. So I'm actually using this very cheap eBay like clay bar mitt just to get rid of some of that dirt inside of the paint. Can you hear it? Okay. Now I know this won't be perfect after this, but it's definitely gonna be better than it was before. So let's carry on. Hoping you can hear the difference. It's a lot smoother. Oop. Hope you can hear that difference, because it definitely is smoother. So what's the best way to dry off a GTR? Taking it out for a quick drive. Let's go. gotta be done, everyone. Right, I hope you all did enjoy this video. It's a very different one. Didn't really do too much talking. I know I only used the one bucket. The car's bodywork is not exactly in the best of condition, so I wasn't really too stressed about any extra swab marks or anything like that. I just thought I'd see how it goes, really. But yeah, like I said, I hope you all did enjoy it. It was nice and chilled out, just getting to enjoy washing the car. There will be a video coming out in the near future about the Q&A that I posted up on Instagram as well as YouTube. I just gotta park up now as well. Make sure to get in touch with me if you have any questions. There will be a video coming out in the next week or so with regards to the Q&A. Anything you want to know about the GTR or any other projects going on, head over to the community part on my channel on YouTube or on Instagram and leave a comment in the picture there. But yeah, I hope you all did enjoy that video, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. It's helping me grow as a channel and get better as being a creator. So if you want to leave any comments, please leave them down below and give the video a nice little like. That will always help me, especially with the YouTube algorithm. For now, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out. Bye.